U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a credit card in 2025 that offers robust protection and solid everyday benefits, the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card might have caught your eye, but with so many options on the market, is it really worth your time and money, or should you leave it for a better alternative? In this review, we'll explore everything from fees and rewards to security features and practical usage to help you make a fully informed decision. Step 1. Card Overview The U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card is designed for consumers who prioritize protection, low fees, and simple cash back on everyday purchases. It's not marketed as a high rewards card but rather as a practical option for responsible spenders who want peace of mind. Key features of the card in 2025. Issuer: US Bank Card Type: Visa Credit Card Annual Fee: $0 Rewards: 1.5% cashback on every purchase intro APR: 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 20 billing cycles. Offer subject to change ongoing APR: 15.74%, 25.74% variable other benefits: purchase protection, extended warranty, and U.S. Bank security features. This card combines straightforward rewards with strong security features, making it appealing for users who want a low-maintenance card. Step 2. Rewards and benefits Unlike premium cards that offer tiered points or airline perks, the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card keeps rewards simple. 1.5% cashback on all purchases, automatically credited to your account. Cashback has no categories, caps, or rotating restrictions, making it easier to maximize returns without tracking special offers. While it may not match cards offering 3-5% cash back on certain categories, its flat rate simplicity makes it appealing for users who spend across a variety of categories. Step 3. Security and protection features. What really sets the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card apart in 2025 is its focus on security. Purchase security: covers eligible purchases against damage or theft for a set period after purchase. Extended warranty protection: extends manufacturer warranties on qualifying purchases. Zero liability protection: you're not responsible for unauthorized charges. Fraud alerts and monitoring: U.S. Bank actively monitors for suspicious activity. Card lock feature: quickly lock your card if it's lost or misplaced via the mobile app. For individuals concerned about security while shopping online or in store, these features provide a strong layer of protection. Step 4. Introductory offers and APR. If you're carrying a balance or planning to make a large purchase, the introductory 0% APR for 20 billing cycles can be a major advantage. Example: suppose you plan a $2,000 purchase for a home project. With a 0% APR for 20 months, you could pay approximately $100 per month without incurring interest after the introductory period. The variable APR applies, so it's crucial to pay off balances in time. Balance transfers are also allowed, helping you consolidate higher interest debt if you qualify. Step 5. Fees and costs. One of the most attractive features is the $0 annual fee, which keeps your cost of ownership low. Other fees include late payment fee: up to $39 returned payment fee: up to $39 foreign transaction fee: 3% per transaction. The absence of an annual fee, combined with flat rate cashback, makes this a cost-effective card for everyday spending. Step 6. Real-world scenario. Let's take a practical example. Alex wants a no-fuss card with solid security and consistent cashback. She spends about $1,200 per month on groceries, gas, and online shopping. Using the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card, she earns 1.5% cashback on all $1,200 totaling $18 per month. Purchases are covered by purchase protection. For accidental damage, she pays her balance in full each month. Avoiding interest charges, she uses the mobile app to monitor activity and lock her card when she misplaces it temporarily. After a year, Alex has earned $216 in cash back and built a history of on-time payments, helping her credit profile while enjoying peace of mind. Step 7. Pros of the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card $0 annual fee. Great for budget-conscious users simple 1.5% cash back no categories or caps to track intro 0% APR useful for large purchases or balance transfers strong security features purchase protection, extended warranty, and zero liability Visa acceptance widely accepted globally Step 8. Cons and limitations flat cashback rate 1.5% is lower than some rotating or tiered cashback cards foreign transaction fee not ideal for international travelers limited premium perks no travel credits airport lounge access or concierge services variable APR carries risk if balances are not paid in full. Step 9. Tips for maximizing this card 1. Use for everyday purchases the flat 1.5% ensures consistent rewards. 2. Pay off balances monthly avoid interest and make the most of the 0% introductory offer. 3. Monitor security features take advantage of card lock and fraud alerts. 4. Use purchase protection wisely keep receipts for larger purchases. 5. Consider balance transfers if consolidating debt. The intro APR can save money. Step 10. Who should consider the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card individuals seeking a simple, low-fee card for daily spending, consumers who value security and purchase protection, people who want to build credit without worrying about rotating categories or complicated rewards. Step 11. Who might want to skip it frequent international travelers who want no foreign transaction fees, reward maximizers seeking higher cashback percentages or bonus categories, users looking for premium travel perks like lounge access or concierge services. Step 12. Alternatives in 2025 CB Double Cash Card earn 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay discover it cashback rotating 5% cashback categories plus cashback match at the end of the first year Chase Freedom Unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases with occasional bonus categories. These alternatives may offer higher rewards, but may also carry annual fees or fewer security features. Step 13. Customer experiences users generally appreciate the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card for ease of use and simple rewards, peace of mind from security protections, low fees, and predictable cash back. Some users note 1.5% cash back is modest compared to other cards. Foreign transaction fees make it less competitive for international use. Step 14. Conclusion So, is the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card worth it in 2025? If your priorities are simple cashback, strong purchase protections, and low fees, this card is an excellent option. Its flat 1.5% cashback and security features make it a practical, worry-free choice for everyday use. However, if you're looking for higher cashback rates, travel perks, or a card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees, alternatives like CD Double Cash or Chase Freedom Unlimited may be better suited. Ultimately, for responsible spenders who value security and simplicity, the U.S. Bank Shield Credit Card is a solid, worthwhile card in 2025.